Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Cooking Diaries. This is Keertana. Today we're gonna see an interesting recipe. It's the spicy chili garlic potato. It's a yummy appetizer. So let's quickly check out the process. So firstly, for boiling potatoes, I've taken 2 big size potatoes, and in a cooker I'm adding a cup of water and I'm poking the potatoes and placing it in the cooker. Now I'm adding some salt. Now cover it with a lid and place a whistle on top and cook the potatoes for 3 whistles. After pressure releases, open the lid and add some cold water to the potatoes and peel it off. Now cut the potatoes in medium size like this as shown. Not too big, not too small, the perfect size. Now for making chili garlic paste, in a vessel I am adding some water and get this to boil. After it is boiled, I am adding 8 red chilies in it and soak the red chilies for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, in a blender, add the soaked red chilies. Add 9 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of sugar, and I am adding quarter cup of chili soaked water. Now blend this into a fine paste. Now the chili garlic paste is ready. Now for making the batter in a bowl, I am taking half cup maida and quarter cup of corn flour, some salt as per taste. Now add water little by little and whisk it well. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. It must have smooth flowing consistency like this. The batter is ready. Now heat some oil and dip the potatoes in the batter and deep fry it. Stir the potatoes occasionally. When turned golden brown, drain them over a tissue to remove excess oil. Now for making chili garlic potato, in a pan I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated, I am adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute them on high flame for a minute. 2 tablespoons of spring onions, saute them, and I am adding 1 cup of onion petals, saute them, cook the onions until they sweat out. Now I am adding some capsicum petals too, saute. Remember, do not overcook the veggies. I am adding half teaspoon of pepper powder. After a minute it turns smoky. Now I am gonna add in chili garlic paste. Mix continuously. Now and let it cook for 3 minutes on high flame. Now I am adding quarter cup of chili soaked water. Mix well. Now cook for another 2 minutes on high flame. After 2 minutes, I am adding half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of green or red chili sauce. Mix well. And now I am adding in 1 teaspoon of ketchup and some salt as per taste. Mix well. Now for corn slurry, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of water, which is approximately quarter cup. Now add the lump-free slurry and mix well. Now add in the fried potatoes. Mix well. Coat the potatoes well. Now at last, I am adding 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. This gives the nutty flavor to the recipe, and serve it. And that's it. The spicy chili garlic potato is ready. Please do try it and let me know in the comment section, guys. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Feel free to comment. For more updates, click on the bell icon below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.